Hey, I'm at the office and it's the wee hours of the morning and I've been here all day, probably about 15 hours. I've been preparing for a custody trial. Trials are never fun and should be avoided at all costs. If you and your significant other or the parent of your child can't work out an agreement, then what you're going to end up doing is asking a person in a black robe that sits behind a bench that's going to hear a very limited, short synopsis of what your life is to make a decision that's going to affect you for the rest of your life. I had a judge tell me one time that putting a case or throwing a case up to a judge to make a decision is like walking into Walmart and getting a suit off the rack and hoping it fits. Probably won't. Pants will be too tight. The coat will be too tight along the shoulders. Pants may be too long. You should avoid that. You should avoid asking a judge to make those decisions. Instead, try everything you can, mediation, settlement conferences, to settle your case, because trial is never fun.